Hello children, welcome to the next session. So actually I thought to have a basics classes up to 8 sessions. Then I have to start the regular syllabus for 5th, 6th, 7th classes. But I forgot to explain one question, one topic. That's why I am continuing the session 9. This also a basics in the basics class only. From the session 10, that means from the next session I'll start the regular textbook syllabus, right? So in the first 2 sessions I've explained additions, in the next 2 sessions I've explained subtractions, in the next 2 sessions multiplication, and in the last session divisions I have done. Now in this session a combination of all sums, that means combination of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Sir, what is the combination? Means, for example, if I given a sum like this, 25 minus 5 divided by 5. Suppose this is the question given. What the students will do? In general, what the students will do is 25 minus 5, it is 20. 20 divided by 5, it is 4, because 20 divided by 5 means 20 by 5, it is 4. Or 20 divided by 5 means how we will do? 5 4s are 20. You will write like this. All the students will do this type of sum. They say that this is the answer. But this answer is wrong. Generally, this answer is wrong. What is the correct answer? Sir, why? What happens if I do like this? Means it's the wrong answer. So that means whenever you got a questions of in the combination of addition, subtraction, addition, multiplication, multiplication, division, multiplication, subtraction, there is one rule, particular one rule in mathematics, and you have to follow the same process. Okay, that is nothing but BODMAS rule. What is the student? Repeat. BODMAS rule. So what this rule or what this rule says that we have to follow some order when we are doing mathematics, or when we are doing a combination of sums which has addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that, anyone. So what the order is, first you have to go for the brackets. That means we have to do the sum which is in brackets first. And first I'll last step channel. Then you have to go for order or power. In 5th, 6th and 7th class you don't have these type of sums. ఇవన్నీ higher class లో వస్తాయి. 7th class లో రావచ్చు, లేకపోతే 8th లో వచ్చేస్తుంది. Then we have to first do the division first. To get that question, what is there? 25 minus 5 divided by 5. So there is subtraction and division. So according to this rule, which is correct first? Division. First we have to do the division there. Then we have to process the sum. After that we have to do the multiplication. Multiplication ledu odlese. Then we have to do the addition. Then we have to do the subtraction. So subtraction we have to do in the last step. So I repeat again, very very important rule, BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Brackets, order or power, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the way to do. Now according to this, what is the answer? You know that? So the answer is 20 minus 5 divided by 5. One subtraction, one division. So what we have to do first? I do the division first. What is the division? 5 divided by 5. You know what is the answer? 5 divided by 5? Yes, 5 is going to divide with 5. 5 ones are 5. So answer is 1. That means first I have to do this. So 20 minus 1, the answer is 19 is the correct answer, not 4. 4 is wrong. 4 how you got? First you did 25 minus 5, 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. That is wrong. This is correct. So we have to follow a particular order. So what is that order? think 6 fingers. You write on the top of your fingers. B, brackets. O, order or power. D, division. M, multiplication. A, addition. And last S, subtraction. Okay. Now this is the first a simple example I have given. Now I will go for one more example, the practical example, which a combination of these three. Let us check. Right. 46 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 30 minus 6 into 2. This is the question. If suppose this question is given. So how to do? Okay. First, what I said, you have to follow this method. First, brackets is there. That means first we have to do this, then I have to go for this. Right? Now first I am doing, look at this. In the bracket, addition is there, division is there. So first what I should do? I have to do division. So what is the division here? 5 divided by 5. How much? 5 divided by 5? 1. So it is 46 plus 1. Now I am keeping the brackets. So you said that you have to do the brackets. Yes, I am doing the brackets only. I am not doing this subtraction. Minus 30. Now look at this. One minus is there, one multiplication is there. Which one I have to follow first? I have to follow multiplication. So what I will get? 30 minus 12. Why 12? 6 2s are 12. Now what is 46 plus 1? It is 47. Now this bracket was finished. Minus 30 minus 12. What is 30 minus 12? I think it is 18. That's all. Now I am not doing the subtraction. Look at this. I am doing the brackets only. Within the bracket again I have some sum. I am doing this. Now 47 minus 18. So what is the 47 minus 18? Now I can take out the bracket. 47 minus 18. 47 minus 18. So 7 minus 8 is not possible. I am borrowing it. So it will become 17. 17 minus 8, I think it is 9. And this will be 3. 3 minus 1, it is 2. So what is the answer? It is 29 is the answer. So in that type of combination of questions, you have to follow the same order. Okay. So means first brackets, orders and powers are not included for you. Then division, multiplication, division and subtraction. Now I will go for one sum with a combination of division and multiplication and subtraction. Okay, so look at the question how it will be. So like this you can frame your own questions, division, subtraction and okay, 100 divided by 10 into 5. Suppose this is the question. What the students will do? They have two options. First, they may multiply these two. 100 divided by 50 they will do. Or they may divide this and multiply with 5. But don't follow your own methods. You have to follow this method. So first, what are the points there? Division is there, multiplication is there. So what I have to follow? I have to follow division. Right? Now first I have to do this. That is 100 divided by 10. So 10 ones are 10 is 0. 0 is there, so nothing, I can write directly 0. So what is the answer it is? This is 10 into 5. So what is 10 into 5? 10 5s are 50. This is the answer. So the student may do like this. Sir, can I do like this? First I multiply, then divide. So what will be the answer? 100 divided by 10 5s are 50. So 50, 100 divided by 50. I'm taking 2 digits. 50 is here, 10 is here, it is not sufficient. Now I'll take 2 numbers at a time. 51s are 50, 52s are 100. So if you follow this method, the answer is 2. If you follow this method, the answer is 50. Among this, which is correct? No doubt, this is correct, this is wrong. Because that is followed in a different way. In this way, we have to follow. What is the process here? First, brackets, order or power, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Right? I'll go for one more question with these combinations only. So you can take your any wish. You can take your any numbers, your wish, then just add the symbols, your wish. Okay, how to frame the question? Look at this. I am writing 3 numbers. 40, 5, 8. Suppose I am writing these numbers. Now I may plan with a combination of multiplication and subtraction. I may plan, right? So I am planning like this: 40 multiplication and subtraction. Right? Look at this. Now I have multiplication and subtraction. Which I have to follow? First I have to follow the multiplication. So means I have to write this. So what is 40? 45s. How much? What is the answer? 5 zeros are 0. 5 fours are 20. How much it was? 200 minus 8. So what is 200 minus 8? Minus 8. 0 minus 0 is not possible. I am borrowing. This will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. And this will be 9. 9 and this is 1. So what is the answer? It is 192 is the answer. So like this, you can also frame your own questions. Right? I will go for one more example with, this time I will take 4 numbers. So that means I have to include 3 symbols. Okay. Now I will take 60, 6, 4, 5. I have taken like this. Now I will go for in order. So division, multiplication, addition. Suppose this is the question: 60 divided by 6 into 4 plus 5. So what to do? Same you have to follow. First a division first I have to follow because the division is in the order. So what is 60 divided by 6? You know what is the answer? 6. 6 ones are 6. This is divided 0. So these 6 zeros are 0. So this is 10 into 4 plus 5. Next, again look at this. I have multiplication and addition combination. So what I should do? I have to follow the multiplication first. So what is the multiplication? 10 into 4. How much it was? 40. 40 plus 5. So obviously the answer is 45. So whenever you are given these combinations of sums, what you have to do is you have to follow a particular method. This one. What is this? Bodmas rule. Brackets, divisions, and I will go for, we will explain one.